Yeah, thank you for coming.
If you guys don't remember, we shot a video a year ago, almost a year ago, with this BRZ. Looks totally different now. You won't recognize that car. It became this car. So came to your car meet today where you're showing your car, and very, very excited for it. Congratulations on it.
Thank you.
Looks amazing. You with the Gundam theme.
We did a lot.
So let's have Steven talk about his car and share the world what this car builds about.
And the last time you guys saw me, obviously we threw on the Artisan Spirits wide body. Underneath the hood, one of the biggest changes, we have a supercharger on it now.
Nice. I saw that. You guys were enjoying that.
Yeah, it's really fun. 300 horsepower. Obviously, we got the Alpha X headlights. We're at Alpha X right now. We got the TE37s, APG big brake kit, RSR suspension, big old wing in the back.
Yeah. Is that the Artisan as well?
That's the Battle Arrow.
Battle Arrow.
Yeah. Battle Arrow carbon fiber swan neck wing. That's about it. Nothing too crazy besides the wide body and the supercharger.
What's this wrap color?
The wrap is Avery satin white, and then the color on top is actually from that car.
Okay.
It's Inazitech Lark Pink. It's like a limited edition color.
Yeah.
And we're going for like the Gundam Unicorn theme, and I think it really works well.
Oh yeah. Did you do the design of the
So I worked with this guy named Livery Magic, and we just like basically came up with this together.
You guys did an amazing job. It looks really good.
You. Yeah,
very
I'm super
clean
happy
too.
Yeah.
And so who's this driver here? Is that you, Steven, or is that Jane?
That's me.
That's you. All right. So you gotta take this to the track?
Yes, definitely.
You are, okay.
We'll do a couple of events first.
Yeah.
Let's enjoy it while it's clean and nothing's broken, and then we're gonna take it to the track.
Which track are you gonna take it first?
Probably Buttonwillow.
Buttonwillow?
Yeah.
All right. Have you taken it to a track after you supercharged it?
I haven't. The last time I tracked it was at Buttonwillow and Streets of Willow. It was stock body and not even supercharged either. Yeah, the back too. The back's my favorite angle.
You know, I like that. It was lit up earlier.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, that's super cool.
We got the Alpha X taillights as well. Really completes the Gundam look.
Oh yeah.
And then we got the underglow as well.
So is this project called the Project Dream?
Project Dream helped me with the install. Yeah, really good.
RX-0 is the name of the Unicorn Gundam?
That's the model of the Unicorn Gundam, yes. I actually have it, it's on the dash.
Yeah, all that. And you raffle one of these out too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, super cool. So out of all the different Gundam out there, why did you pick the Unicorn Gundam?
I just think it's the coolest one, in my opinion. My Civic Type R, we did a different Gundam, but I've always wanted to do this Gundam, and I've always wanted to do white with red, because I usually do red with white. Yeah. And I think just this works best for Gundam Unicorn. Plus, it's my favorite Gundam.
You won't miss it if you're driving down the road.
Yeah, I can't wait to film. I haven't filmed a lot of stuff yet.
Yeah. So when did you actually officially finish this build?
We finished it probably 2 to 3 weeks ago. There's still some stuff we have to do inside. We're gonna do like a rear seat delete and bucket seats.
Which bucket seats you going with?
Recaro, pole positions, in red as well.
Oh man.
Yeah. And then we're gonna do the Driven Media. Kevin's actually gonna send me a rear seat delete.
Oh, okay. Nice. If you guys are looking for a rear seat delete, hit up Driven Media, Kevin. He'll hook you guys up.
Yes.
Yeah.
And of course, Beat Sonic.
And Beat Sonic if you need amps, sound systems. Yeah. Cool. All right, Steven. Hey, thanks so much. Really appreciate you doing all this. We all get to enjoy. He brings it out so the community can enjoy. He's not just doing it for himself, he's doing it for the whole community. And just by seeing builds like this, it's an inspiration to what you can actually do to your car and how you can customize it to make it your own. So yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I look forward to seeing you at your race event.
Yes.
And also other car events in the future. Maybe we'll see it at SEMA.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe you'll see my WRX too. Oh, Toyota Fest.
Yeah,
I'd love to bring a Toyota Fest.
Yeah.
Oh, it's definitely going to be at Subie Fest too.
At Subie? Oh, okay. Sweet. You have your own booth at Subie Fest, right?
I'm actually going to booth with Kevin.
Oh, you are? You guys have a booth together? Oh, sweet. So if you guys are going to Subie Fest in August?
Yes,
August. In August, go ahead and look for the booth with Kevin Vo at Driven Media and Spamsubie. Steven, you'll find the car over there at the event.
Bye-bye.